Great Plains. American Indians of the Great Plains. East of the plateau lay the Great Plains cultural region. This region extended from the Rocky Mountains to the Mississippi River Valley. From north to south, it stretched from present-day Canada to present-day Texas. Among the many tribes who lived in the region were the Cheyennes, Pawnees, Comanches, and Dakotas. The Great Plains region has bitter cold winters and hot summers. In the 1400s, it was mostly treeless grassland. Many animals lived there, including pronghorn antelope, deer, and bear. To American Indians, the most important creature on the plains was the bison. The Western Dakotas considered the bison sacred because it was so valuable to them. They used parts of this animal to make many things they needed to survive. Bison were an important source of food. The Dakotas also made their homes, called teepees, from bison hides. To build a teepee, women sewed the hides together and then constructed a cone out of long poles and covered the cones with the hides. On the outside of the teepee, men painted scenes from daily life. In addition, the Dakotas used bison hides to make warm blankets to wear in winter. They decorated the flesh side of the hides and placed the fur side next to their skin. The Dakotas also recorded important events by painting winter counts on hides. Warriors even made shields from bison hides. Men painted their shields with scenes from their dreams. They believed these images came from heaven and protected them from harm. They also decorated their shields with fur and feathers.